Welcome to Salimat's Holistic Health, your trusted channel for natural wellness tips. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: functional foods for gut and mental health. Did you know the foods you eat can profoundly impact not just your digestion but also your mood? Stay tuned as we explore the best functional foods backed by science to support your gut-brain connection. Understanding the gut-brain connection. The gut and brain are closely connected through what's called the gut-brain axis. This communication system means the state of your gut can directly affect your mental health. Studies show that a healthy gut microbiome, filled with good bacteria, can help reduce anxiety, depression, and even improve cognitive function. So, let's talk about the functional foods that can boost your gut health and, in turn, support your mental well-being. Top functional foods for gut and mental health. Yogurt. Packed with probiotics, yogurt introduces beneficial bacteria into your gut, improving digestion and reducing inflammation. Studies show that probiotics can reduce symptoms of depression by promoting serotonin production. Fermented foods. Foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and miso are rich in probiotics and enzymes that enhance gut health. They're flavorful and versatile. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish and nuts, help reduce inflammation and improve mood by enhancing brain function. Research links omega-3s to lower levels of anxiety and depression. Prebiotic foods. Prebiotics are the food for probiotics, helping beneficial gut bacteria thrive. These are found in fiber-rich foods like bananas and onions. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants and compounds that stimulate the production of mood-enhancing endorphins. Choose varieties with at least 70% cacao for maximum benefits. How to incorporate these foods. Incorporating these foods is easier than you think. Try adding yogurt to your breakfast, swapping chips for kimchi as a snack, or including salmon in your dinner rotation. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. The benefits you'll notice: improved digestion and reduced bloating, enhanced mood and better stress management, increased energy and focus throughout the day. Thank you for watching today's episode of Salimat's Holistic Health. Remember, the journey to better gut and mental health starts with simple changes in your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let's thrive together, one bite at a time.